Spice launches a new makeup line. Now, people, quick disclaimer. I'm going to try my best to try explain this makeup thing. By no means I'm a specialist at makeup. I don't really know a lot about makeup. I just know the, bare bones and basic. But being that my channel is 72% female viewership, I think it's worth it to give it a try. So the ladies them can see what I go on if them not see this already. Right? So, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now we're going to talk about Spice makeup that she launched today, right? So Spice launches a makeup line. So far all I see is one palette, the piano palette, and when you flip it open, you see like some of the name of our song, and you see like hip hop and you see reggae. So far I see Genie, Cool It, soca, R&B, reggae, and sheet, nigga, hip hop. Romantic mood, Spice, but when you get the idea of what go on, right? So it's pretty creative just looking at it too. You see me I say it's just cause a boom and it look like a piano and they have the little mirror in it and thing. Alright. See where I go on with Mama. So let me read the caption now where she posts with it. She say my entire makeup line is inspired by my love for music. So here's the piano palette available on Faces and Laces website. Now with 40% off for only 24 hours. Enjoy, link in my bio. And she hashtag support black business, hashtag piano palette. Wait until you see the brushes, Face and Laces. Now she mentioned the brushes now. So I see two brushes. She have like one brush where shape like one microphone thing. When it says slide up, it just take me to Faces and Laces, and then it shows some wig and thing. It never really like show the brush itself. And then she have some brush where look like some flute, right? Like some little mini flute recorder kind of settings. But I don't know much about the brush. She look like she not drop the brush them in, so she has to wait until you see the brush them. Right? So when you think people, when you think that when I go try out Spice new makeup, so may I say the few man them we might there we might even interested in this kind of video. Or you feel like could I go buy something for a girl or what? So may I say, well, I have to applaud Spice though upon a new business venture because we see Spice are moving at full speed right now. We see Spice just become the brand ambassador for Magnum Tonic Wine, and she just launched her new talk show, Spice It Up, and Spice It Up I go out with things people. Now me, naturally my first instinct never did for run go watch Spice It Up. I never did really even do a video about Spice It Up. You see what I say? Nothing. But when I see it for myself, I say, well, this is pretty entertaining. You see me, I watch the one with Marlon Samuels and Richie Feelings them, that episode there. You see me? So to my surprise, Spice It Up was really good. And I hear say the other episode them are going good. So might be me will be seeing some more of that. You see me? I'm encouraging if you not see it yet, check it out. Now other than that, I just want to know when you think about Spice makeup line. Tell me if you're not going to try it, if you're not going to try it and real, maybe later I can do a follow-up video or whatever. And if it's your first time on this page and you haven't liked and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for daily updates. Thank you.